Hello. In this video, we will continue looking at spreadsheet skills with our example position and time data. In our last video, we created our position time graph. This video will focus on analyzing that data. To begin, I will add a trend line. Trend lines can be very helpful so that we can see the overall idea of the data rather than looking at the specific points. To do this, I'm going to choose Chart Design at the top. And then I will choose Add Chart Element over here on the left side of the toolbar. When I do that, I will see a number of options. I will scroll down until I see Trend Line, and then I'm going to choose More Trend Line Options, which brings up a new window pane over here. Now, depending on the data set, the line of best fit could be linear, could be exponential, logarithmic, or others. You will need to determine which relationship fits your data best by understanding course content and looking at things such as the R-squared value. R-squared value can be a very helpful thing, which we will show in a little bit, that really just shows how well the model predicts the relationship. An R-squared value of 0 would mean that the model predicts none of the relationship, and the closer to 1, the better the model predicts. We are going to click on this little bar graph icon, which brings up trend line options. Excel has already chosen linear. Depending on our data, we could choose one of the others. Given our position time data, linear would be the best option for trend line. We are now going to choose some other options to highlight pieces of this analyzation that Excel is doing for us. I'm going to go to the bottom here and choose Display Equation on Chart, which you'll notice popped up an equation right here near the trend line. I'm also going to choose Display R-squared value on the chart, which also popped up there. Using these two equations can be beneficial in terms of understanding and explaining what you see in the data and what the data is showing you.